Alright, hey guys, how are you guys doing today? My name is Aaron Ramirez. Thank you guys so much for catching today's video. For today's video, I'm bringing you guys another The Truth Of video. It's been a long time since I made one, but for today's The Truth Of, we're going to be talking about Alphalete. Now, Alphalete is another one of my favorite gym fashion companies. Now, I've talked about them before. I've said how much I've loved them. I've talked about Vanquish, Gymshark, and now Alphalete. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about The Truth Of Alphalete. Now, I'm going to be talking about some new clothes that I've just recently got. And I'm going to be also talking about clothes that I've had from them for a very long time now, like I would say like 3 months maybe. So basically I just got 3 of their new stuff that just came from their newest launch, and I think this is like a clip. So I got this long sleeve shirt, this orange short sleeve. Now I decided to try something new. Like I've never really like wore orange a whole lot, so and I saw this and I thought it was really cool, and I was just like, fuck it, like I'll try something new, you know, go something a little bit more bold. And then speaking of bold, I also got white shorts, which is like, I feel like it's a new trend. I feel like in gym clothes, white's becoming like more popular, and I was like, fuck it, like I'll jump on the trend and then I'll give that a go. And so I bought some white shorts. Like I said, I'm going to be talking about clothes that I've already had. Now the clothes that I'm going to show you I've had for the last like 3 or 4 months, whatever. I had these joggers, these Alphalete joggers in gray, this black shirt that says learn more, dream more, and be more, and honestly this has been my favorite workout shirt for the last 4 months. And then this cutoff tank that's also like a pretty bold color. And like I said, these clothes I've had for like 4 months and absolutely love them. Like I said, this one has been my favorite workout shirt. I wear this one a lot. This cutoff tank, like I said, it makes me look big, so I love it. But basically, I'll show you the fitting of these new ones. So first off, it's gonna be this shirt, and so far, I've really liked the fit. This is brand new, as you can tell. I just tore that right off. And basically, since I don't like have like huge arms, I do like to roll these up to make my arms look a little bigger, and I'll show you that right now. So just like that, my arms look a little bit bigger. And like I said, the fit on this shirt is really nice. It's really snug on the chest and then more loose on, you know, the stomach area, which is like how you want to go. And then the shorts fit really nice, and also the fitting's really nice, so I'm really excited to see how these look on my next leg day. And then what I'm most excited about is this long sleeve, because long sleeves is something I've been obsessed with in terms of gym clothes, at least. Okay, already in terms of like how this feels, the fitting is very nice. This makes my arms look a lot bigger than what they actually are. So I would say that the sizing is true to size. Like they promote that, but a lot of companies promote that, and that's not really true. But this one, however, I feel like it is. Makes my shoulders look big, and I have pretty weak shoulders. And then just like that, I'm back to this shirt. So without any more talking, I'm gonna bring you guys along to the workout. And like I said, we're gonna be talking about more stuff after.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the whole close, it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye. I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye. gravity.
Alright, so I'm back from the gym, and now I can finally give my final thoughts about Alphalete, which if it wasn't clear in the beginning of the video, I absolutely love Alphalete, but in terms of pricing goes, it can get really expensive. However, I personally would wait until they go on sale, which is pretty often. They're always having sales, because for normal retail, like, Alphalete can get pretty expensive, but like I said, they're always having sales to like mark down the prices a ton. I think that long sleeve shirt that I first showed you guys came down to like 18 bucks maybe. And for actual retail, it's a lot more. I don't know the actual price, but it's a lot more. And in terms of like actually working out with it, it's one of the most comfortable shirts that I've had to work out in. But anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to leave a like. If you guys are new around here, I would really appreciate it if you guys can go and subscribe. But other than that, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.